Hello everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. In this one, I'm going to be covering how we can restore deleted records on ServiceNow. Now to restore a deleted record on ServiceNow, let's go ahead and delete a random user record. And then we'll go into the deleted records table and we will restore it. So let's say we're deleting this one, Aline Raybeck. Come over here, let's go ahead and delete their profile. And you see when we do that, it's going to say that there's dependencies. So there'll be cascade deletions if we were to go ahead and delete this record. So we'll be losing some expense lines, some user entitlements. So let's go ahead and just delete it anyway. So Aline Raybeck, remember that name. Okay, so that record is gone. So now let's go over back to the All Applications menu. Type in deleted records. Come down here. Now you're probably going to have a ridiculous number of deleted records on your instance, so you're going to have to filter this down a bit. Because we're on our PDI, there's not that many of them. But if we were to go ahead and filter this from newest to oldest, you would see right here, Aline Raybeck is there. Now, one of the easiest ways to do this is you would just start on the table, because maybe you don't know what has been deleted from that table. You just know it was deleted from that table. So hopefully you don't have that many users getting deleted from your sys user table, and you'd be able to find it that way. You could try to filter it off the date. You could also try to filter it directly off the value. So we've seen that we could have just searched Aline Raybeck and the display value. We would have found her. Now, if we were to go over to sys user and click on that, that's the deleted record. And in the top right, you're going to see undelete with related. Now, if we click on that, it's going to say undelete record with related. Are you sure you want to undelete this record and all related changes? Yes or no? You'll type in yes. And when you do that, all those cascade deletions, they should be brought back, and anywhere that it was referenced, it should reassociate that user with those records. So say this user had like 5 or 6 incidents where they were listed as the assigned to or the caller. After you restore the record, it should add that person back as the assigned to and the caller for those records. Because when you delete it, there's no longer a record there. So it would just be showing that user's old sys ID in that field, if not removing it altogether. So if we go back to users, you see Aline is not there. She is gone. But if we click OK, it'll take a moment to add her back and all the dependencies back. Okay. And if we refresh, Aline Raybeck is back. She's back in action. You see she still has her role from before. So, yep. All right, guys, it is that simple to undelete a record that has been deleted from your instance. Now, just keep in mind when you do this, there are going to be a ridiculous number of deleted records if you're on your work instance, I'm guessing. For us, we have millions, so it takes a very long time to query through this table. But hopefully you don't have to do this very often, but I figured this is a pretty helpful tool for those of you that have had to deal with this as admins on your ServiceNow instance. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like. Please also consider subscribing to the channel. Catch you all in the next one very soon.